Nika, go to the module quiz. Get 10 books.
Okay, ma'am. What book should I get?
Any kind of books, but ask permission to the module quiz. Be kind, okay?
Okay, ma'am. I will get it right away.
Be fast, okay? What are you doing here, darling?
I'm here to get 10 books, Your Royal Highnesses.
And who told you that?
My teacher.
Okay, how many, darling? What kind of books?
Any kind of books.
Okay, get it. Goes back to the classroom. Hope you get the books.
Yes, ma'am. I got the 10 books.
Very good. What's 2 times 2?
4.
Correct, class. Okay. What's 1 divided by 1?
1.
Okay, very good. And raise your hands if you know the answer. What is 5 times 5? Okay, class, I will go to the next classroom for a minute.
What is this? Oh, a spell book. Oh, I have to put it back. Oh dear. Phew, that was close.
Oh dear, why this room ransacked?
Part 1. Wait for part 2.
Bye-bye.